Have you ever wondered why your hair doesn't feel as strong as vibrant as you would like, no matter how many products you try? Or maybe you're tired of dealing with breakages and dullness. Stay with me because in this video I'm uncovering 5 simple yet game-changing tips that will transform your hair health. These aren't just quick fixes. They are secrets that work from inside out. By the end of this video, you have the tools to take your hair from this to wow. So let's get started. You won't want to miss tip 4 because it is a game changer for anyone struggling with hair growth. Tip number 1 is nourishing your hair from within. The first step to healthy hair starts from the inside. Make sure you're eating enough protein, a balanced diet rich with minerals and vitamins. Foods like salmon, nuts, and leafy greens are packed with nutrients that promote hair growth and strength. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is your hair's best friend. Before we move on to the next tips, I just want to say that if you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my beauty and lifestyle tips. Now let's move on to step 2. Be gentle with your hair. Use a wide tooth comb to detangle, especially when your hair is wet. Avoid excess heat styling and opt for air dryer when possible. If you must use heat, always try to apply a heat protectant to shield your hair from damage. Our third tip is regular trims. Regular trims are essential for maintaining healthy hair. Aim to trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to get rid of split ends and keep your hair looking fresh and vibrant. This simple step can make a big difference in the overall health of your hair. On to tip number 4 is all about your scalp care. A healthy scalp is a foundation for healthy hair. Wash and shampoo your hair properly. Incorporate a scalp massage into your routine to stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. You can use natural oils like coconut or jojoba oil for added nourishment. Remember, a healthy scalp equals happy hair. Finally, go for hair products or choose hair products that suit your hair type and needs. Look for shampoos and conditioners that are free from harsh chemicals like sulfates and parabens. Opt for products that are rich with natural ingredients to keep your hair strong and healthy. And there you have it, 5 simple yet game-changing tips to keep your hair looking healthy and strong. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle content. Until next time, stay beautiful and inspired. Bye!